What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all enjoying your weekend. And talking about weekend, I have a weekend gift for you. Now, occasionally I show you my trade results, the way I track my trades, the way it automatically calculate my profits and losses, and it is something that every trader should have all the time if you are someone who is looking trading as their careers and who's looking trading as a long-term business. Now, it took me 3 days to build this spreadsheet, which is right here, the trade journal I was creating from last 3 days that give you an auto calculation of reward to risk ratio, and also it adds your account balance accordingly. For example, if you are trading with 10,000 of account balance, with the 1% of risk, it will give you an up-to-date balance. Or if your account balance is less than that, you can update that accordingly. But let me show you how it works, because it is very important to understand this as well, the way you can log your trades. First, it is totally free for just 2 days. I would say from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it is free. And the way you can claim it, first, for the members, it has been uploaded in your portal. If you click on your course, if you are a priority member, click here on priority group, you will see an indicator section. And under the indicator section, you will see Smart Trade Journal. It has been uploaded there, and you will see the same link how to use that right here as well. And if you are using a Buy Me a Coffee membership, then go to your account, log in with your account, click on shop, and it is absolutely free for the members. But if you're someone who want to get it after 3 days, it's gonna be priced. Now, right here, for now, if you're a member, it will automatically apply discount for you. And you will see the trade journal here. Click here, enter amount 0, add to cart, click on pay. It will download directly on your PCs. So these are the 2 ways you can download Smart Trade Journal and start logging your trade so that your results are in front of you and you can see how you are performing in your trading. Now, how you can log your trades here? It is very simple. First, the trade we took a couple of days ago. For example, I'm taking this trade for the sake of example. The one we took when? That was on 12th of March. Pullback entry, and I've entered right here at 0.88226. That was my price when I entered this trade. So the date was right here, and the time is, as you can see, when this candle is closed, that was 5 a.m. So I'll put 5 a.m. That was USD CHF, and the trade type is sell. Entry price is 0.88229. Now the way you can claim this, I will go through that in a very short while. 0.88225. Exit, which is my take profit, because that was a take profit hit, so we will add exit number, which is 0.87745. 0.87745. Now the stop loss, which is right here, 0.88705, and the take profit is exact number which you have entered right here in the entry price. So I'll copy and paste it right here. So the take profit is your exit price. Where you exit your trade mean your take profit has been hit. So you copy that and paste it. It give you reward to risk ratio automatically. So that is the beauty of this spreadsheet. Whatever you do, it will calculate the numbers itself. Now, for example, more than 1-to-1, and let's say you have managed this trade till here. Right here, your take profit is hit. Now you see 1.3-to-1. Let's do it 1.4-to-1. Right here. So now if I change my exit price to this number, which is 0.87554, 0.87554, and my exit price is my take profit as well, which is right here. Here it gives you 1.4-to-1 reward to risk ratio automatically. So it calculates that automatically, and the trade outcome is, of course, win. Profit and loss, of course, you can add that your number. For example, you have made $100 for this trade, so just add 100, because here it's asking for your number. Means $sign means whatever you have made. Percentage, whatever percentage you have taken. The risk, which is 1%, which I personally take. Notes, let's say you have traded a pullback strategy. You can just put pullback strategy. Your account balance is 1, and if you have taken 1% of risk, you put 1%. If your account balance is $10,000, your 1% risk is right here, and it tells you the risk amount of $10,000 is 100 pounds or $100 you have made, and it accumulates your account balance as well. Now let's say your risk amount is different and you have made, let's say, $90. For example, you put $90 there, still with the 1% of risk, and you can see in your trade you are making or losing $90. Then you put 90 and it will accumulate that accordingly. But the maths is very simple. The 1% of $10,000 is normally $100, but you can change the numbers accordingly. Now, if you have a losing trade, your stop loss is hit, then you can add the numbers accordingly: entry price, exit price, stop loss price. And instead of adding 1, let's say you have taken 1% of risk and that was a stop loss hit. In that case, all you need to do just add the numbers, but your entry price is where you entered. Then your exit price is your stop loss price, where you exit your trade, which is your stop loss is hit. Your stop loss price is exactly right here. Your take profit is this price that should have been hit, but it didn't hit, but we still need to add the numbers of take profit. It will automatically calculate your 1.8 to 1 reward to risk ratio trade, which is right here, 1.8 to 1, exactly how this spreadsheet calculated. Loss, let's say minus 100, and here that was risk of 1%. So we, instead of putting 1, we're going to add minus 1. Right here, it will deduct your balance from here. And let's say the next trade was a winner. For example, everything is same. Let's say we have a winner. We put 1. In that case, we are back with $10,000. Let's say we have one more winning trade with 1% of risk. We are up with $100 balance. Then let's say we have a losing trade. Let's say that was a 2% of risk. Then we are back down with this balance. But we need to log everything correctly. Otherwise, it will not calculate that. So the whole motive is to track your trade journal. It also gives you what reward to risk ratio are you taking. For example, you are managing a risk. I recommend to keep a risk same throughout the year. For example, if you're taking 2% of risk, keep it 2% throughout the year if you want to get good results. If you're taking 1% of risk, keep it 1% throughout the year. But let's say you have found one trade that has a very good potential and you have taken, let's say, 3% of risk. So for the next few trades, if that is the winner, you can average that by taking 1% or maybe average that with 0.5%. So that is how you can move around and you can play around with the spreadsheet. The whole motive is to log your trade. Very simple, very smart. So that is it. I wanted to give you. You can log your trades here as many as you want, with the time, with the dates, with the pairs, so that everything is crystal clear in front of you. Now, the way you can claim it. Now, like I said, it is free for the next 3 days. All you need to do, comment below my video spreadsheet and just email me at support@moneymarkers.net. So email me here right at this address and just mention that you have watched the video and you have commented whichever name you have commented so that I know that it is my genuine audience. So mention your name there in your email, the one you have added comments with, then I will reply you back with this file. Trust me guys, it took me 3 to 4 days to create it. I can sell it very expensive like the others are doing, but again it is free for members and it is free for someone who want to claim it in over this weekend. And if you're looking to join my priority group in future, it comes with that as well. That is totally free lifetime. Even if you join my group just for 1 month, it comes free for that as well. I hope that this little gift adds some value in your trading. And for my students, for my members, it is totally free for you lifetime. It is uploaded in your portal. Feel free to download it and start enjoying this spreadsheet. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.